Today we got this GE French door, and the fan back here is not working, so there's no cooling up here. This works fine, that doesn't work. We're gonna take all this out. Bunch of little screws. I'll show. First thing, we pulled off this. We got a clip. Okay, next we're gonna pull this off. Then this back cover. Maybe we could get the back cover off without that. Let's try the back cover first. This pulls right off. Then there's a screw back there. We probably would pull that out. Let's keep going. There's the fan that we're looking for. It blows the air all the way up, and that's why it's not working. Let's see if we can pull it out without removing those sides. It looks like we can. Sort of. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. This literally took 5 minutes. Let's check it out. I ordered this on Amazon from GE. They had cheap ones, but this one was $39. The other one, the cheapest one, was like $15. But we went full because I don't want to do this again. To get it out, you got these little guys. You just pull and then pull this way and it'll come out. These were off already, so they are supposed to be in there. This is the new one. Notice how it spins like sort of freely. This one, not spinning at all. Tough. If you're wondering how these things work, you really just pull them and they come off, and then you pull them and they go back into place. So you push them through here and then you pull it out the other side. We got it back into place. I'm just gonna jam it back into the refrigerator. If you look in here, everything looks nice. It's gonna work fine. That was probably all frozen up, and now it is not. Okay, I pushed it in there. I didn't remove any of that stuff. This thing, it got back in this place. We're just gonna line up these screws, put the screws back in, put this back on. Okay, that took 6 screws, and it's done. 15 minutes, first timer. Okay, let me tell you a story on this. This is my neighbor's refrigerator. They went and bought a new one, and they were like giving it to the other neighbors. The other neighbor was like, hey, why don't you come over here and check out my refrigerator? And I was like, oh, it needs a fan, because all these need fans. And I was like, we'll just fix it. And now the neighbor bought it, a new one, and this one's gonna work. I'll show you. In their defense, they had a repairman come over and quote them $500 whether it works or it doesn't work. So obviously this guy doesn't know what the hell he's doing, because he would know what the problem with this was within like 30 seconds. And he would have been able to say, oh, the part's $40, so I'm gonna charge you $80 for that, and then I'm gonna charge you $100 labor, so that would be like $180, and he'd be making $140 profit on that. But instead, I did it for $40 in like 15 minutes. And anybody could do this. Like, anybody. My kid. Okay, one more thing. So now that I have this on, I can feel the wind blowing up here, and I know that it's gonna work because of that. So this thing's ready to go.